Hi, I'm Miss Dayna and I'm with ArtSphere Inc. Today you're going to learn how to create Crayon Scratch Art. You're going to need a piece of paper, crayons in any color, and a black crayon. Put this one off to the side, as well as a toothpick. Start by coloring your entire paper. You can use any color crayons, just not black or white. You really want to press firm. Try to cover the entire paper with no white of the paper showing. Your hand might get a little tired or cramped, so feel free to take a break here and there. Now, get that black crayon you set aside and color on top of your entire picture. Press firm. Try to make the black as solid as you can. Now, use your toothpick to scratch. If you don't have a toothpick, you can always use the pointy end of a paper clip, a dull pencil, or even a pen cap. Draw any picture or scene you'd like. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed creating your very own scratch art. Don't forget to share your art with ArtSphere for a chance to be featured on social media and our online art show.